Hello. You can turn off the Meet Carolina thingy. Okay, thank you very much, and I'm falling. The sky's falling! The sky was not falling, it was you, Carolina. Oh, right. Okay, so let's talk about myself. Let me see, no interruptions, right? Okay, let's keep going. So, my name is Carolina, as you know, but I have a horrible full name. Carolina Betty Holland. So horrible. How could you name me that? Okay, so back to me. Why do I keep falling? My food smells bad. Smell it and like it. So I am the oldest of all sister. And I'm 13 years old. Yeah, most of my sisters are like, I don't know. Let's keep going. So I'm the oldest. I'm sort of the dumbest of all. Boom, boom. I have a fro. Yeah. Wait, I want to see myself without this. Oh my god, it looks so horrible. I should wear this. Okay, let's keep going. Awkward. So I have like this feather right here, and if you don't like this video, well, too bad. And let me see what else. There's not much to talk about because I was picked up from New York in 2010. Yeah. And I'm like awesome at, let me see, what am I awesome at? I think I'm awesome at gymnastics. I think I'm better than McKenna. I heard you. Oh, shut up. You're just right next to me. Hi. God, people these days. Okay, let's keep going. I have a really weird hair. I'm always like this. I'm such a fashionista. No, you're not. I hate my sisters. Let's keep going. I was so happy when it was only me and Felicity. Good times, good times. Okay, so I'm on TV. Oh my god. Okay, so I like mixed nuts. I love mixed nuts. Can you shut the camera off for a while? Oh yeah, those were some good mixed nuts. Yeah. Oh my god, it's like 0%, 0%, 0%, 0%. Wow. I am gonna stay skinny. Yeah. So, I have no idea what else to say. So, I think this is it. Now, keep in touch for the next Meet Felicity. Yes, Meet Felicity. Oh, and by the way, comment, rate, and subscribe. Please subscribe. Please, I'm begging you. Not literally, but still, please subscribe. And if you don't want to, just comment. Or if you don't want to, just like. Or if you don't want to, just do whatever you want. Okay? I don't know who are the people who are watching stuff. This is awkward. I have no idea what the heck to talk about. Okay, bye.